Hello everyone, in today's video I am making chicken coconut vegetable and curry sauce. This is going to take less than 20 minutes to make this sauce. So let's get started. First of all, you start by cutting your chicken. This is about 3 pounds of chicken strip that I got from the store. Ever since I tasted this soup, I've been cooking it every week. I cook it once a week in my house, and it's so fast and easy to cook. This soup tastes amazing. I ate it with rice. It's so good with rice. I'm using chicken breast. You can use any part of the chicken of your choice. You can use chicken thighs or any other part of the chicken that you like. When I'm done cutting it, I go in with my salt, cayenne pepper, half a teaspoon of bouillon seasoning, white pepper, thyme, Italian seasoning, bay leaves powder. Mix it well to combine. When I finished mixing, I went ahead and put my pan on the stove, put in some olive oil, then put in the chicken to fry. In goes the chicken that I already mixed. Fry it until it turns golden brown, then you take it off the heat. Flip the side occasionally. See how beautiful it's already looking. Now it's ready and you have to take it off the heat. Look at the beautiful color. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. In a larger pan, add in some more olive oil or any oil that you like. Put in the onion and fry it for about 2 to 3 minutes. After frying the onion, go in with 1 red bell pepper blended. That is the garlic, ginger. Fry it until everything is well cooked, stirring occasionally. This is the coconut milk that I'm using. I'm using 1 can of this coconut milk. I'll just open it up, then pour it in the pan. Stir the red bell pepper, ginger, garlic 1 more time, and then add in your coconut milk. Give it a gentle stir. Add in 2 cups of water, then go ahead and add the fried chicken. Add in your salt, half a teaspoon of salt, chicken bouillon seasoning, curry powder, and stir it. Cover it and let it simmer. While it's simmering, we go ahead and cut our vegetables. We already have onion here, some chopped vegetables here, onion, red bell pepper, green bell pepper, orange bell pepper. I'll be adding these string beans to it. Go ahead and slice your carrots and add to it. You can use any vegetable of your choice. You don't have to use these particular vegetables. Use any vegetable of your choice. That will work fine. I added half red bell pepper. You can cut it to any size and shape that you want. Open it to check. At this point, the aroma is amazing. It was amazing in my kitchen. Can you perceive it where you are? The soup is already looking delicious. No, wait until you see the end of this video. Wait until you see the end of the soup. You'll be amazed. Now go ahead and add your mixed vegetables. Mix it together. Please let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying this goodness at home. It tastes so delicious. This soup is so nice. Also, let me know where you are watching from. Cover it and let it simmer for 1 minute. Don't allow your vegetable to overcook. At this time, the soup is ready. Now it's time to serve. I'm eating this soup with rice. That's the rice I'm dishing it out from my rice cooker. Now let's put this goodness beside it and enjoy. Don't forget to try this recipe. The flavor is it's next level. Try it and let me know. Thank you all for watching and see you in another video. Bon appetit.